Now, representation of a set. Now we are going to discuss about the representation of a set. A set can be represented by means of the two methods, that is one by listing method, that is we will list out all the elements which belongs to that particular set by means of enclosing those elements within the brackets and separating the elements by means of commas. So that will be called as the roster form, or in other words listing out method, listing method. The other one is of rule method. Rule method, or in other words it will be called as set builder form. So in this set builder form, so we list out the property or the properties that satisfy by the elements of the each and every set. Then we write it as X such that X satisfies the properties of the P. Then now, so here first of all let us know about the representation. So here a set can be represented by means of two methods, that is say number one, listing method, or in other words it will be called as the roster form. The second one is of rule method. Rule method, or in other words it is said to be a set builder form. Listing method, in other words roster form, rule method, or in other words set builder form. Now we are going to discuss about the first method, that is method number one. Method number one is of the listing method, or in other words roster form. So here we are going to discuss about roster form, or in other words the listing method. So in this method we prepare the list of each and every element which belongs to that set, and we separate all those elements by means of commas, and we enclose them, that is all the elements within the brackets is said to be called as the roster form. See here in this roster form, first of all we will prepare the list of all the elements and we will separate them by means of commas, then later we will enclose within the brackets. So here the definition of this roster form is, so in this method first of all, so here first we prepare the list of all the elements of the given set and later on we will separate the elements which are present in that particular set. We will separate all those elements, separate them by means of commas. by means of commas, and later on we will enclose them. So here we will enclose, we will write within the brackets, we will enclose, and them mean here I mean each and every element. So here within the brackets. So here let us perform one example under this, that is example number 1. So here as per the definition I said now, that is we are writing all the elements which belongs to that particular set within the brackets. That means we will enclose all the elements within the brackets and separate by means of commas. So here we will separate each and every element by means of commas. That gives us the roster form or the listing method. So here an example under this, set of whole numbers less than 8. So here this is the condition which is given for us. So here we have to write in roster form. So here the solution starts. So here we are going to denote the whole numbers. We are going to denote whole numbers by means of W. So here let the set of whole numbers which are less than 8 be W. So we are going to represent the set of whole numbers that are less than 8 be W. So here then W is equals to, so bracket opens. So here we have to write all the whole numbers, but the whole numbers, the least whole number is of 0. So begins with 0, then later the immediate successive number will be of 1, then 2. So here 3, but we have to write all the whole numbers that are less than 8. So here we have to write only up to 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I include this 8, then it will be equal to that 8. So here these are the numbers. So these are the whole numbers which are less than 8. So for instance, if I take 0, 0 is less than 8, 3, 3 is less than 8. Similarly 5 is also less than 8, 7 is less than 8, but if I include 8, it won't be less than 8, but it will be equal to 8. So hence we should not include that 8. So in the list of these whole numbers. So here as per this condition which is given for us, that is set of whole numbers that is less than what I say here n 8. So here is equals to W equals to, so within the brackets the elements are of 0 to 7, so separated by means of commas. So enclosing within the brackets. So this gives us the roster form. So here this is the roster form. So roster form implies W is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in the similar manner, so I am going to consider, so here one more example, let us perform one more example under this. So here let us write the condition, given condition in case of a roster form. Set of 3-digit numbers whose sum of digits in a number is 8. So here, so we have to write set of 3-digit numbers, a set consisting the 3-digit numbers. So generally the 3-digit numbers begins with the least 3-digit number is of 100. So here 99 is a 2-digit number, the highest 2-digit number is 99, and very next the successive will be of 100. The 100 is the least 3-digit number, and the highest 3-digit number is of 999, that is 999. Among these numbers, that is from 100 to 999, we have to choose 3-digit numbers which are whose sum of the digits in that particular number must be equal to 8. So here solution starts now. So in our solution, let the 3-digit number, let the set of 3-digit numbers whose sum of 3 digits, so whose sum of the digits, whose sum of the digits in that particular number is 8, be capital A. So in this manner we are assuming that set as A. Then for instance, so here for instance, one 125, it is a 3-digit number. So 125 is a 3-digit number. So here sum of the digits now. So here sum of the digits in that particular number. So here sum of the digits is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 5. So that is equals to 5 plus 2 is of 7, 7 plus 1 is of 8. So we must get the sum of the 3 digits must be of 8. So here another number. So here 305. So here for instance, that is 305. So 305 is also a 3-digit number. So 1, 2, 3. So units place is of 5, tens place is of 0, hundreds place is of 3. So there are of 3 digits in this particular number, that is 305. So 3 is a, so here 305 is a 3-digit number. So in this 3-digit number, sum of the digits. So here sum of the digits, that means we have to add up all the 3 digits, that is 3 plus 0 plus 5 is equals to 5 plus 0 is of 5, 5 plus 3 is of 8. So or else we can cancel up this 0, 5 plus 3 is of 8. So 8 is the sum of the digits in that particular number. So in this manner I say there are of so many digits, there are of so many numbers whose sum of the 3 digits is of 8. So here, so similarly 800. So here 8 plus 0, so it will be equals to 8. So in 602, so 6 plus 0 plus 2 equals to 6 plus 2 is of 8. So in this manner we will be getting a finite number of 3-digit numbers whose sum of the digits is equals to 8. So here from that too from 100 to the highest number, that is 999. So now let us write what is the roster form. Roster form. So here roster form is of, so here we have represented, we have denoted, we have assumed the set of these 3-digit numbers as A. So here therefore roster form A is equals to set consisting, so here 125 comma similarly 305, so now 602. So here the sum of the 3 digits, 6 plus 0 plus 2, so 0 and 100, 6 plus 2 is of 8. So in the similar manner 800, so we can cancel up these two zeros, so it is of 8. So here dash dash, there are a finite number of, there are a fixed number of 3-digit numbers whose sum of the 3 digits equals to 8. So those are between, so 100 and as well as 999. So here these 3-digit numbers will occur between 100 is the least 3-digit number, the highest 3-digit number is of 999. So here these 3-digit numbers whose sum of the 3 digits is of 8 will occur between 100 and as well as 999. So here therefore the roster form of this particular condition, that is set of 3-digit numbers whose sum of the 3 digits is of that particular number is of 8, is represented by means of A, that equals to set consisting 125 comma 305 comma 602 comma 800 and dash dash.